so you can see each time I post a new video. And you can also follow my Facebook group, which is Sew and Cut with Fumi, on my fashion page, OAF Fashions. Thank you very much, and I love you all. So let's get to today's topic. I'm gonna be teaching you a simple trick to use if you're trying to put a zipper on a stretchy fabric to avoid it from being so bulgy at the back. Yes, so there is this simple trick I have used, and it has really worked out well for me, and I hope it will to you too. So looking at this fabric I'm trying to use for an example here, this is a very stretchy material. You can see how stretchy it is, very stretchy. So imagine me putting a zipper on this material without using the trick I'm about to teach you. It's gonna be very bulgy. It's gonna be like this. So the thing I'm gonna be using is a BFF. This is a BFF. You can also call it a paper stick. This comes in white. It also comes in black. So we have a thicker one, we have the softer one. This is like the second one. This is just like a 150 naira in the market per yard. If you say BFF and you don't really understand what you're trying to say, you can just say you want a paper stay. It is different from the soft stay or hard stay, but the one I'll be using here is the paper stay, which I also call BFF. Don't ask me the full meaning of BFF because I don't know too. So I might actually find out that later and come over here and tell you. So with this BFF, I tried to cut out 2-inch strip out on my zipper allowance, which I've already marked my zipper allowance, and I've already sewn the part I am not going to put a zipper on it. So this is my zipper allowance, which I have cut out. This is what I'm trying to say, that I've cut out, and this is my zipper allowance. So using this paper stay, I'm going to be cutting out a stripe like this by the length of my zipper space. So I'm going to be placing, either getting this place, I don't know if the camera can catch it very well. There is this rough edges. This is where the gum is that will be used to gum on the fabric, and this place is very smooth. It's very smooth. There is no, it's not as the other side. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's more like if you're using a stay, there is one part that is shiny and one part that is just dull. So this part that is scratchy like this is where we're placing on our zipper space. So as you can see, I already placed mine here. This is mine here on my zipper space, and I already placed the second one. And using this, you're going to be using your pressing iron to press it down. You use your pressing iron to press it down so that gums it down, and you do that to the other side too. So you do that to the other side too. So after pressing it down like that, this place is more harder, and it will be easy for my zipper to stay on it without it bulging. It's all just gonna go straight down. So I'm not going to show